Going for the micro vapor honing.
You got a whole blooper reel right here.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Hey guys, Christy with Vapor Honing Technologies coming to you this morning. Got some
Micro vapor.
He's laughing. Welcome to Taco Bell. Order when you're ready.
Is this working? Yeah. Can I get an extra large chalupa with a side of nacho fries?
Are we making you nervous? No, I'm nervous altogether anyway, so it don't matter.
Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and smash. Nope, that's wrong. You can fix it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Letting you guys know that we will be at East Tech this, 2 weeks from now. May, I think it's 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, somewhere in those dates there. God bless, start this video over again. Where's my phone? That was horrible.
Hi guys, Nikki here with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're doing an experiment where we're going to do a comparison between wet blast and dry blast.
Okay. And I think the only thing you missed was
to remove a coating.
Yeah.
I don't know where to stand. I don't know where to stand. I'm like, I don't know what to do with my hands. Hey, where's your video in here? Look, mine, no hands.
Who's this here?
Waka flocka.
Come up here and sit down.
Hold on. Stop that right now.
She's so funny.
You guys keep following. We're going to have more drawings coming up for more machines.
Like her on Facebook. Follow on Instagram. I was just smiling. I was like, hold on, I gotta find orange.
It's a very easy, simple setup. And as business owners, is that loud? Ah! Jeez! We're shooting video! So obnoxious. As business owners,
Keep in mind that if you share any content, it will earn you a right to and remember, when you share content, it earns you an entry into what the
Hi, I'm Natalie with Vapor Honing Technologies. We're gonna do the pull for. Nope.
So when you compare both finishes, the wet blast process has a more pleasing appearance on the surface than the. Why can't I do this? And I have actually rehearsed this a dozen times today.
Can you do that again? Please, because you started.
That's even worse.
Does that look good?
Look at all that dust on the helmet.
Yeah.
You ain't even started blasting yet.
I can't see. I can't wear this. This is too much.
So remember, when you share content, you earn a chance to win, and thank you for watching.
There you go.
God dang it.